A very good morning to all of you. Today, I have decided to take a motivational class on English subject for class 11th and 12th. My dear students, it is seen that maximum time you give to subject of physics, chemistry and mathematics, but very little time you give to the subject English. This is very clear to all of you. You ignore English. I think overnight you read English, appear in the examination. It is not a particular students. In present scenario, this trend has been adopted by all students. But my dear students, you committing mistake. You know, English is international language. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has very categorically said, English is a such window through which you can peep entire the world. So my dear students, no doubt you give a very little time in the subject of English. However, when the result is declared, you see, you surprise very highly. You give less time, little time, but you got good marks in English. So, only don't go behind securing marks. You should have knowledge. Stop procrastinating. English subject prepares you for competitive examination. It gives you great personality. You will be regarded everywhere if you are knowledgeable in the subject of English. If you have developed spoken English, then you will not have any hesitation while speaking in front of people. And wherever you will speak in English, if you are having capacity building of spoken English, then definitely you will be given due respect in the society everywhere. So my dear students, it is my appeal to all of you, don't behave English just like stepmother. You have already given very little time to English. However, by hook or crook, you have written, but you got good marks. But marks securing and become a knowledgeable person, you should have writing capacity. You should have spoken capacity. The subject has been prepared for all of you for interpreting, critical thinking, analyzing. This is subject English. English prepares you. gets you ready for the battle in competitive examination. If you are confident, half battle you have won. So it is my motivational class. Always I used to motivate the students. No doubt, wherever you will go, if you face interview, any competitive examination you have already passed, but so far as the interview is concerned, in Viva, mostly questions are asked in English. And if you are having confidence, if you are confident, if you are having knowledge, spoken capacity, then you will boldly face the problem and you will not have a little bit nervousness in the board where you are facing interview. So my dear students, always I say, students are the asset of the nation. You must make yourself very capable, knowledgeable, and you should have writing capacity. Grammar, no doubt, grammar also plays a very significant role in writing capacity. In the arena of literature and communication English. So I do not want to take much more time. It is my appeal to all of you, all students. Nowadays, students are ignoring English subject. Consequently, you see, you are not capable to write a correct sentence, correct application, and you feel demoralized. You feel insulted everywhere. In the board, pass in the board examination, that is not a big issue. But if you qualify in competitive examination, that is the matter. If you want to become an IAS officer, so there 200 marks of English. If you are having analytic capacity, critical thinking capacity, you are having writing capacity, then definitely you can get good marks and you can qualify in big competitive examination. So today it is my motivational class for all students, especially for class 11th and 12th. With these words, I would like to end my speech today, and tomorrow again I will appear before all of you with another topic. Thank you very much.